In today's video, we tackle a provocative question. What if climate change is not the end of the world? While the challenges posed by climate change are significant, there is also a wealth of hope and potential for positive transformation. From the resilience of nature to groundbreaking technological innovations, we will explore how society can not only adapt but thrive in the face of change. Join us as we delve into the key areas of understanding climate change, economic opportunities, and the vital role of community engagement in building a sustainable future. 1. Understanding climate change. The basic climate change refers to significant changes in global temperatures and weather patterns over time. While climate change is a natural phenomenon, recent trends are largely attributed to human activities. Think about it like this. Imagine the Earth as a big pot of soup, and every time we burn fossil fuels, we're turning up the heat. The soup gets hotter and hotter, and that's our planet warming up. But it's not just about getting warmer. It's about the changes in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and more intense natural disasters. 2. Resilience of nature. A hopeful perspective of nature is incredibly resilient. Remember the forest fires that seemed to devastate everything in their path? Yet, a few years later, the forest is teeming with life again. This resilience is a beacon of hope. While climate change might alter ecosystems, nature has shown an amazing ability to adapt. Species migrate, adapt, or evolve. This doesn't mean we should ignore climate change, but it shows that our world is not a fragile house of cards ready to collapse at the slightest breeze. 3. Technological innovations. A ray of optimism. Technology has always been a game changer. Just think about how quickly we adapted to the internet or smartphones. In the realm of climate change, technological innovations are showing promise. From renewable energy sources like solar and wind to carbon capture technologies, humanity has never been more equipped to tackle environmental challenges. Imagine a world where every car is electric, and every city is powered by the sun and wind. This is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality. 4. Economic shifts. Opportunities arising. Climate change is pushing economies to adapt, and with adaptation comes opportunity. The green economy is booming, offering jobs in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and eco-friendly manufacturing. Consider the rapid growth of electric vehicles. Companies like Tesla are leading the charge, creating jobs and transforming industries. This shift not only provides economic opportunities but also encourages sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint in the process. 5. Policy and governance. A new era of leadership. Governments worldwide are recognizing the need for action. International agreements like the Paris Agreement are setting the stage for collaborative efforts to combat climate change. Policies promoting sustainability, such as carbon taxes and green subsidies, are becoming more common. These changes in governance are fostering a new era of leadership that prioritizes the planet's health while balancing economic growth. This shift in focus is vital for ensuring a future where climate change is managed rather than feared. 6. Community engagement. The power of collective action. Communities around the globe are stepping up, recognizing that individual actions can make a significant difference. Grassroots movements are inspiring change, from local recycling programs to global climate strikes. Think of the community as a patchwork quilt. Each small patch represents an individual's efforts. When stitched together, they form a beautiful, protective cover for the planet. Collective action empowers people, showing that together, we can create a substantial impact. 7. Adaptation strategies. Learning to live with change. Adaptation is key to thriving in a changing climate. Cities are investing in infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather, such as flood barriers and heat-resistant buildings. Farmers are adopting sustainable practices, like crop rotation and water conservation, to ensure food security. These strategies are not just band-aid solutions but long-term plans to coexist with the changes climate brings. It's like learning to dance in the rain rather than waiting for the storm to pass. 8. Education and awareness. The foundation of change. Knowledge is power, and educating people about climate change is crucial. Schools, media, and organizations are spreading awareness, ensuring that everyone understands the stakes. Imagine a world where every child learns about renewable energy and sustainable living from a young age. This foundational knowledge empowers future generations to make informed decisions and continue the fight against climate change. It's about planting seeds of awareness that will grow into a forest of informed citizens. Climate change is undeniably a challenge, but it doesn't have to spell doom. Through resilience, innovation, and collective efforts, humanity has the potential to navigate this challenge. By understanding, adapting, and acting, we can ensure that climate change is a chapter in our story, not the end of the world.